In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add credit card transactions to QuickBooks Online. If you've had a purchase that didn't flow in from your bank feed or you're catching up without a connected card, this simple workflow will let you record it accurately so your reports and reconciliations stay clean. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one. You'll land on the dashboard, but anywhere in QuickBooks is fine for this task. The key is that we're going to create a new transaction from scratch, so you won't need to visit the banking page or wait for a download. Next, open the Create menu and choose Expense. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a plus or New button at the top of the page. Pick Expense, not Bill or Check, because an expense records something you've already paid for. This opens the expense form where you can enter the details of the transaction. Start by selecting the payee, such as the merchant or vendor you paid. Set the transaction date to when the charge actually happened on your card, and if you have a receipt or invoice number, add it to the reference or memo so you can find it later. In the Category Details section, choose the appropriate expense account like meals, office supplies, or travel, and add a clear description and the amount. If you track classes, locations, or projects, you can tag those here too. This is also a great time to attach the receipt using the attachment option so you have documentation tied directly to this expense. Now click into the Payment Method field and choose Credit Card. This tells QuickBooks how you paid. After selecting Credit Card, double-check the Payment Account field on the form and make sure it's pointing to the specific credit card account you use for bookkeeping. That's the register where this expense will post. If you pick the wrong account, the transaction will land in the wrong place and your reconciliation won't match. Take a moment to review the tax settings if you use sales tax on purchases, confirm the total matches your receipt, and scan for typos. If you see a currency field, verify it matches the card's currency. When everything looks good, save the expense. You'll now see it reflected in that credit card account's register and in your expense reports. A quick tip before you wrap up. If the transaction later appears in your bank feed, match it to this expense rather than adding a duplicate. Matching keeps your books accurate and prevents double counting. That's it. You've manually added a credit card transaction in QuickBooks Online with confidence and clear documentation.